The Pyramids of Giza stand as an awe-inspiring testament to the ancient Egyptian civilization's ingenuity, architectural prowess, and dedication to the afterlife. However, despite centuries of research and study, the mystery surrounding their construction continues to captivate minds worldwide. One of the most controversial and intriguing theories posits that these monumental structures were built by aliens, challenging conventional historical narratives. Dating back over 4,500 years, the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, specifically, has puzzled historians, engineers, and archaeologists. The precision in its alignment with celestial bodies, the sheer scale of its construction, and the advanced mathematical and engineering techniques employed have fueled speculation about human capabilities during that era. Proponents of the alien intervention theory argue that the technological expertise required to lift massive stone blocks, some weighing several tons, and accurately position them in intricate patterns exceeds the capabilities of ancient civilizations. The tools and methods available at the time, like copper tools and wooden sleds, seem inadequate for such a monumental undertaking. Furthermore, the precision in the pyramid's alignment with true north and its positioning relative to other celestial objects, like the stars in Orion's belt, has led some to believe that this knowledge surpasses the ancient Egyptians' astronomical understanding. They argue that such celestial accuracy might suggest knowledge beyond what was available to human civilization at that time. Supporters of the alien hypothesis also point to ancient texts and depictions that seemingly illustrate encounters with otherworldly beings or flying machines. The interpretation of these ancient writings and images, often open to wide speculation and varying translations, provides fodder for those advocating for extraterrestrial involvement in human history. Additionally, the time frame within which the pyramids were built, estimated to have taken around 20 years according to some theories, appears implausibly short considering the immense scale and precision of the structures. This prompts the question of whether a solely human workforce could achieve such a feat in that time frame, even with the large labor force available to the ancient Egyptians. Moreover, some anomalous features found within the pyramids, like the intricate interior passages, mysterious shafts, and unique construction techniques, fuel speculation about the involvement of a more advanced, non-human intelligence. However, this hypothesis is not without its detractors. Critics argue that attributing the construction of the pyramids to alien intervention undermines the ingenuity, intelligence, and capabilities of ancient civilizations. They emphasize that the ancient Egyptians had a deep understanding of mathematics, engineering, and astronomy, demonstrated in other aspects of their culture and monuments. Archaeological evidence supports the idea that the pyramids were indeed built by skilled Egyptian laborers and craftsmen, using innovative techniques and sophisticated knowledge for their time. Recent discoveries, such as the uncovering of workers' camps and tombs near the pyramids, further reinforce the notion of human involvement in their construction. Moreover, the absence of concrete evidence, such as extraterrestrial technology or artifacts directly linking aliens to the pyramids, remains a significant challenge for proponents of this theory. The lack of consensus among experts and scholars regarding these mysteries underscores the enigmatic nature of the pyramids, but falls short of providing conclusive proof of alien involvement, the evidence that debunks the conspiracy. If we take the Great Pyramid of Giza, we know that it was built by gangs of workers summoned under a sort of national service or corvée system, says Professor Tyldesley. They had fairly basic but effective tools, and the workers were able to cut blocks of stone, transport them to the construction site, and gradually erect the pyramid. There are parts of the technology we can't see today, for example, the ramps. But basically, it was the sheer amount of person power that made it all possible. The existence of a limestone quarry near to the site of the Great Pyramid, plus evidence of the campsites for the workers, reveals how extensive the project would have been. We have evidence of how they were fed, and for the cemeteries where they were buried, adds Professor Tyldesley. But it is only in the past 50 to 70 years that our understanding of pyramid building has made significant strides, which for a long time left a vacuum in which conspiracy theories were able to take root. Egyptologists, archaeologists, and historians could do more, according to Professor Tyldesley, to present the evidence and a credible alternative to the idea of alien visitors. The construction of the pyramids encouraged not only building techniques, it encouraged civil service to develop to coordinate all the workers, the development of boats to ship timber or stone, medical skills to deal with accidents, and possibly increase the sense of community. I think the building of the pyramids is absolutely fundamental to the building of Egypt. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.